Assalamu alaikum. How are you kids? I hope you all are fine. Have you seen my last video? आप लोगों ने मेरी last video देखी? We have learned a number in that video. So today we are going to review that number. I hope आप सब घर पे बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे और आप सब ने 14 अगस्त बहुत अच्छे से enjoy भी किया होगा. Okay, now so I am going to review that number. Which number we have learned in the last video? We have learned number 5. Yes, number 5. Now, before starting our review, we are going to listen a rhyme. So I'm playing a rhyme here. Just watch this rhyme and then after that we will learn writing of 5.
Four, next comes five. Five fingers and five little toes. Five ponytails with five silk bows. Five monkeys jumping on five drums. Five ducks swimming to find their mums. F-I-V-E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, next comes five. Four, next comes five. Five very fast cars in a race. Five storybooks on a bookcase. Five children dancing to the beat. Five colored houses on a street. F-I-V-E, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, next comes five.
Okay, welcome back. Do you like the rhyme? Yes, I know. Do you love that rhyme? That was too awesome. Okay, now, so kids, we are going to practice number 5 on our copy. Okay, हमारे पास जो copy है हम उस पे आज number 5 की practice करेंगे. But before moving toward the book or copy, we are going to read that number 5 in our picture book. Okay, so take out your picture books and read that number 5 in picture book. Okay. Okay, now kids, we all have this book in our syllabus, that picture book. Now we are going to open it and we are going to read page number 5 regarding number 5. Now let's see what is on page number 5. Oh wow, which number is this? This is number 5. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. And there is a farm on this page. And in the farm, we can see the hens. Now let's count how many hens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 hens. There are 5 hens. Now let's count the sandwiches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 sandwiches on this page. 5. This is number 5. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. So we will read this page again and again and also ask your child to write on this. Feel this embossed number so that your formation will be much clearer. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. Okay. Now kids, we are going to practice number 5 on salt tray. Salt tray पर हम number 5 की practice करेंगे. Okay, so now put a dot on salt tray and we are going to start tracing. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. What we will do? We will simply put our fingers on a dot and then we will start writing. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. सबसे पहले we will go straight, then down, then turn. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. Okay, we will practice this sand tray at least 10 to 15 times, because after doing this practice our formation will be get better. This is number 5 and we are going to write here 5 is fat, wearing a cap. Very good. Now after this we will write 5 on board. It's first what we do every time, we make lines on this. Parents, please make lines on blackboard like this. Now give them starting points. Okay, now we are going to write here 5 is fat, wearing a cap. How we will write? 5 is fat, wearing a cap. So now see this again. Make a straight line, go down and turn like B. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. Okay, so this is the practice of number 5. This is number 5. We will practice on blackboard and on salt tray again and again until our formation get much more better. So now kids, after writing on salt tray and board and reading from the book, we are going to practice of number 5 to write on copy. Okay, now this is your copy. We are going to open it and then first we will see the embossed numbers. First we are going to write 5 on this number. So put your finger here on the starting point. Now 5 is fat, wearing a cap. 5 is fat, wearing a cap. This is number 5. Please make your child trace this again and again. Okay, now after this I will turn the page and I will see the patterns here. So I will open the page number 4. Now we can see here are the pattern of 5. So again I will select a crayon of my choice and then I will write on these pattern. Please use crayon for writing of pattern because pattern are always written by crayons. Okay, now so we are going to trace these pattern. The pattern of 5, and after completing this we will move forward to the writing of 5. We will turn the pages more and we will see that the working of numbers has been started. So we will find out the number of number 5 for working. So yes, here it is coming. Yes. So now we can see that there is the working of 5. Tracing of 5 is here. Now first we will see a hollow number 5. Now we are going to trace this with crayons. Like 5 is fat, wearing a cap. This is number 5. And there are sandwiches. Now let's count the sandwiches first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After writing on this number and coloring these sandwiches, we will write this passage. Here the tracing of 5 is present. So it's our choice. We give our child a crayon or a pencil or pencil color. Some pencil and ask them to trace it properly. Okay. So after tracing this we will turn our page, and then on the other page we will see here is a more exercise, but we will skip this page because here is the spelling of 5 and we are not going to do this. So now on the other page we will see the tracing of 5. So now in the last we will trace this page with pencil, crayon or a pencil color, whatever you like, and trace this. Okay kids, so I hope after doing so much practices the concept of 5 has been clear to you now. अब हम आराम से नंबर 5 को रिकग्नाइज भी कर सकते हैं और राइट भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, so in the last, before closing my video, I am going to play a rhyme for you. Just listen this rhyme and enjoy it. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.
5 apples, 5 trees, 5 tiny little buzzing bees, 5 tables, 5 chairs, 5 monkeys jumping over there, 5 candles, 5 flames, 5 smiley happy dancing dames, 5 farmers, 5 books, 5 very hungry sitting ducks, 5 chickens, 5 sheep, 5 frogs getting ready to leap. Look at all these numbers falling from the sky. Let's find them together, looking low and high. 5 apples, 5 trees, 5 tiny little buzzing bees, 5 tables, 5 chairs, 5 monkeys jumping over there, 5 candles, 5 flames, 5 smiley happy dancing dames, 5 farmers, 5 books, 5 very hungry sitting ducks, 5 chickens, 5 sheep, 5 frogs getting ready to leap. The number 5 is special, we can use it every day. So come back soon and sing with us, we're always here to